Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to VIVO IQOO Z8. Firstly, just open Play Store on both devices to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, tap on OK. And then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Then go back to OPPO device and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on VIVO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, click on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!